This session is all about optimizing to get the best out of Zetta2Go. And this is from the user's perspective. The first thing I always do is go to the layout and select the 5-panel heavy bottom. This gives me everything I need: the sequencer, the log, hotkeys, voice tracking and segue editor, and the library. First thing I'd like to do is to get rid of these headers. This gives us the use of absolutely every bit of precious real estate. We know what they are, so we don't have to see them. And we can get rid of them quite easily simply by going in here and hiding the display module header. Okay, this applies to everything except the sequencer. Under Tools, we manage locally cached audio. And here, as we accumulate voice tracks and as we download material for voice tracking, we add an awful lot of data and media to the system. We do not automatically manage this. You have to come and manually manage it yourself. Under Layout again, Set Station. This is a multi-station system, but in this case we want to work with RCS Classic Rock. So automatically everything is set to RCS Classic Rock. Next, under Configuration, display the audio audition player. Boom, there it is at the bottom. Now, how does one audition? It's really easy. Go here, hit audition, and
RCS,
you can start playing.
The world's largest broadcast software company.
And similarly here, if I hit audition, it's playing in my headphones, although you can't hear it. Okay, and stop. Over here, incidentally, we can choose what we're going to hear: the opening, the closing, the hook, or a loop. All right, if it's the opening, it'll just keep going until you stop it. Next, global settings. I would suggest always selecting the defaults here unless you have need to change that. And if you're using Zetta2Go live, then you need to talk to us about the settings for buffer sizes. We can also add a dynamic compressor to the live stream audio chain, on off. Leave them at default unless you need them. Then over here, we can check and see how many people are actually using Zetta2Go at this moment in time. If multiple users are using it, be aware that every click is going to cause something to happen in Zetta at the primary site. Over here, we can check that we are successfully connected to the server, and over here connected to Zetta2Go server via WebSockets, which is the highest quality you can achieve. There you go. That's everything, including whether you're going to go to auto fit or 3 rows on the sequencer. All right, in this case, wasted space, so we might as well use auto fit. And this is syncing the clock time to the server refresh rate every 5 seconds.